In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the margins in Mailchimp to ensure your email campaigns look polished and professional. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together, taking care to clarify the process so it's both manageable and effective. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns tab. From there, select All Campaigns to see the list of your existing email campaigns. Choose the campaign, or if you're working with a template, select it, and then click on Edit Design to begin making adjustments. Now that you have your design open, the next step involves selecting the specific content block you want to adjust. Remember, in Mailchimp, margins as traditionally known in CSS are not used. Instead, we'll be working with padding. This padding affects the space inside individual content blocks like text, images, buttons, or dividers. To edit a block, simply hover over it and click the pencil or edit icon. This action will pull up the right-hand sidebar where you'll scroll down to find options such as settings or style. When working with padding inside a block, locate the padding section under the block's style settings. Here, you'll find boxes labeled top, bottom, left, and right. These represent the spacing within the content block. You have the freedom to adjust these values, so increase or decrease them based on your needs. For instance, if your text appears too close to the edges, you might want to incrementally increase the left and right padding to around 25 pixels. You'll be able to see your changes in real time within the preview window. If you find that an entire section of your layout feels either too cramped or has excessive space, you'll want to adjust the section padding. Begin by hovering over the section's background area and then click on Edit Section Style, which you can spot by looking for either the paintbrush or gear icon. Once there, scroll to the section padding or spacing area. This is where you'll manage the vertical spacing between each section. A good rule of thumb is to set top padding between about 40 and 60 pixels and bottom padding between 30 and 50 pixels. This spacing strategy adds aesthetic breathing room to your layout without overextending the area. Make sure your designs are ready for various platforms by previewing them on mobile devices. Click Preview followed by Enter Preview Mode to switch between desktop and mobile views. It's crucial to adjust padding as needed to avoid cramping or excessive spacing of elements on smaller screens. For mobile specifically, tighter padding, around 10 to 15 pixels, often works better. Finally, if you're satisfied with these changes, consider saving your new layout as a template. By clicking the drop-down arrow, in the top left, you'll find the Save as Template option, where you can name your layout, something like Clean Margins Layout 2025. This way, you can effortlessly apply your perfect margin settings to future campaigns.